This class, you're going to learn how to make a logo, like how to create any logo of any kind using Pixel app. So let's start. First of all, you must have gotten your materials. So in this class, what you're going to learn in this class is how to make a logo, like to get a logo maybe for your brand. Maybe you are into cake things or something like that, or you're into bridal accessories. So I'm going to teach you how to create a logo. Okay. So when I'm done, you can try it out on your own. So let's start. Just watch and see what I'm doing. Do it. Okay. All right. First of all, you have to get your material. We are going to do a logo for cake. So now let's start. You're going to get your material. I'm going to get from my gallery. Click on my gallery, then gallery. So we're going to go to downloads so we can get our icon, what we are going to use for the cake stuff. So we're going to use this guy here. Yes, we're going to use this guy. Okay. First of all, we're going to remove this new text and delete it. Yes, see it. So we've already gotten our guy. You can go to Freepik, download, type cake chef or type chef. They'll bring out different types. You choose the one you want to remove the background and make use of it. Okay. So now that we've gotten our guy, what next is to bring in our shape. Click on shapes. Now we've gotten this shape. We're going to arrange it to our taste. So let's start. Move it. Okay. Then let's add our text. What will be the name of our cake stuff? Okay, edit. So let's name it Nazi Cakes. Nazi cake. So Nazi cakes. So okay. Now we've gotten it. We have to keep it here. So which color are we going to make use of? We increase it, and then font. We need to get a good font. A bolder font, okay? So let's go to my fonts. Get this. See this one. Okay, let's go with this one. Lemon milk bold. Okay, Nazi cake. Increase it. We're going to change the color of the cake, the right up. So let's make use of blue. Let's use this blue Nazi cakes. So duplicate this, not this. Duplicate the square, copy it. So get our text, edit. Alright, let's have it like this. We always give the best. So let's get the font, a good font. Font, go to my font. So let's make use of this. Okay, bold. Okay, it's bold enough, so we'll use the white. Then this line, let's lock this first. This line, we have to make sure it's aligning very well. Then the size also. It's 9, okay, position. And this one size 2. Click on the side, 69. Then position it very well. Okay, now we're going to click on the add icon from gallery, get our WhatsApp contact, gallery, downloads. So let's make use of this. Okay, reduce the size. Copy. Edit, write your phone number. Okay. Position is very well. So alright. So you see, our logo is ready. So guys, can you see Nasli Cakes? We always give the best. Then this is the contact for the brand. Okay, so what you're going to do now is to save. So we have to save it as PNG. And for us to have it as PNG, remember what I taught in last class? You click on this icon, look at transparent, make the background transparent, then click on save image, PNG, Ultra. Then we'll save. Alright, let's go to our gallery and see our work. Can you see it? It will appear as PNG. Well, nicely kept. And then when you mock it up, this is a perfect logo for anybody that is into bakery or cake, especially cake. Someone that is into cake things and other stuff. So Nasli Cakes, we always give the best. So this is how to produce logo of any kind you want. There are also different kinds. Also, this WhatsApp that you added here, you can also add your Twitter account, your Facebook, or whatever you have. So you can add it and then make it look nicer too. So can you see our logo is ready? So you can take this and put it in front of your shop, print it out, depending if that's what you're doing, that's your brand. So you can create your brand on your own. You can try out something, you get 8 different things and try it out. Okay, wow. So that's how to make, all about making, okay, that's all about designing a logo. Okay, so thank you for the class.